Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So just about to take you on a short walk around tour of a Sprite Major 6 TD 2022. A fantastically well-spec'd single axle family caravan, 6 berths with a rear dinette, rear fixed bunks and a very spacious central kitchen, central bathroom with generous sized front couches in the lounge. So here is a good look at that particular caravan. So the Sprite range is the range at the starting point for Swift. So a very affordable, well-finished, high-spec caravan for the money. At the front here, you've got a large front locker box there with space for two 6 kg gas bottles, light items like your step, your electric hookup cable, steady winder for your legs, wheel brace, etc. Just being careful and cautious of your nose weight. As we come down the side of the caravan, you've got the chrome Sprite logo and the stretch decals going all the way down the side. Those vents that you see on the side are the vents for the fridge in the central kitchen area. There is a space to be able to put a motor mover onto this caravan should you wish, and should that be a need, we can certainly provide some very competitive quotations. Above the habitation door there you have an awning light which can be controlled from the control panel inside the caravan. So let's go and have a look inside. So as we step in, we've got the door to the bathroom first of all, but let's show you the rear first. So we've got this wonderfully spacious dining area towards the rear for the kids to be able to enjoy their evening meals. You can also convert this section up into bunk beds using this framing here. So it's side dinette, but you can also convert them into the bunks. You've got the wonderful wood grain going throughout the caravan, an ample amount of storage dotted around the caravan. On the left hand side, we've got the 2 fixed bunks here with the ladder and also storage underneath the fixed bunk that you see there. So touch point into the shower area. So you've got a very large individual shower cubicle, sink with storage underneath, and also positioned there your Thetford toilet with a couple of easy usable shelves at the top there. Centre of the caravan, you've got on the left hand side here 3 gas hob burners only on top in your combination oven and grill with pan storage located underneath. Further storage in the central area and your main control centre above the habitation door here. So your main control panel here and your Truma blown air heating system located there. Stainless steel sink and a work surface extension pop up there for easy usable space. Generous sized under counter fridge and an easy usable height microwave in the central area of the caravan. Some 240 volt sockets here and light switches, and this you see here is a drop cable through for things like your kettle and toaster should you use them. As I mentioned in the pre-start to the video, some really generous sized front couches that you see here, and the same fabric scheme that you saw in Swift last year with the tartan cushions that you see at the front there, offsetting it fantastically well against these luxury curtains. Large panoramic sunroof located at the front, coupled with a medium-sized Hecky light, gives a real good feeling of space in this front lounge area. The vent down the bottom that you see there is for your Truma blown air heating system. You have a short pull-out table at the front here, should you need it, and that you can sit by the side of it there for a nice cup of coffee. On the front binnacle here, we have got television point, USB points, aerial point and a 240 volt socket, so your TV would sit on top there should you need it. Positioned in one of the overhead cupboards here, so it's not currently fitted, but you've got the radio that will go in here. So for 2022, Swift have gone back to the physical radio in the Sprite range and stepped away from the Swift command panels as well. Further storage located on the left hand side here, so in here you've got your additional ladder for the additional bunk on the right hand side, your infill cushions, and this is also where your freestanding table is located for the front of the caravan. You've got your multi-directional aerial there supported by your Vision Plus box at the back and also a hanging rail. So that gives you a real good feel as to what this single axle 6 berth family caravan has to offer. I hope you've enjoyed the short walk around tour of this caravan. This is our display model, so we have it on site for viewing now. So should you want to come and have a look, please give us a call. As I mentioned earlier, 01476 560 599. Option 1 for our sales team. I hope you've enjoyed the short walk around tour. We'll look forward to hearing from you and hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.